Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. I just turned my bot on, and unfortunately, I could have already had my money here. There was actually 3 good trades here that you could be in and out and done. So right now, I turned it on to see if we can pick up this long going back. We are running into roller coaster, so there is our short, and let's see where it goes from here. There we go. So now we're at break even, coming on down. Trading 4 contracts today. My goal is $1,000 a day. That's what I like to make. If I make 1,000, I'm fine. That's usually what I make on the bots. Everything on here is the Angular bot. There's nothing else on the chart. So when you lease the Angular bot, that's what you get. So there's 646.68. Now, if we had turned it on sooner, this one would have been a good trade here. And this one would have been a good trade, good trade, good trade. This one, it would actually still be in it on this. So when it pulled back, that would have got my stop. And then the good trade there. So it's actually run really well today. I'm running a different strategy than what I was yesterday. Usually I run a smaller time frame on the London session, and then when I go to US, I bump it up to a higher time frame. I change my settings accordingly. So right there, we're already up our $1,000 target, where we want to be. This gets down, I'm going to put it down to break even and just let it go. So we're well above our $1,000 goal. I'm going to go ahead and pause the bot because that's all I need. Get my $1,000 and get out. This is only 4 contracts that we're trading. We're not trading, a huge amount of contracts or anything. So being the 4 contracts, that's only $4,000 trade. And, we're getting well over our $1,000. We'll let this runner go until it stops out. When it stops out, then we're done for the day. It's really that easy. You want to always let it trade on the trend. You don't want to let it trade through chop, range. And I'm actually having my programmer, we're working together to make it to where it finds that range. So I'm working on that. That'll be on another update coming. You see right there, it's kind of going sideways a little bit, but my stops hold me right in. We are $1,800 in right now. It'd be nice to get my $2,000, be the 50% profit. That's what I like, but as long as I get $1,000, that's I'm fine. So right there is 18, 19. Probably get stopped out right there. There we go. So we're at 17, 32, 36. Just that easy. 2 trades are done. Where people mess up is they let the bots run all the time, thinking, well, I'm just going to make more money. Well, this one right here, we would actually be up another one right here. But we well above our goal. Why keep trying to give money back? I mean, there's a chance this particular one would have made money on the first target already. But what if it just kind of come down and then reverse back? Then you would lose your profit that you wanted to make. So as long as I get my $1,000, I'm fine. I did that on a $4,000 trade. They get you 25% at $1,000. Today we're at roughly, and I'm making a percentage here, probably 40% of our target or trade. Again, we would have gotten another good trade right here and been up, but why take the risk, guys? And usually when you get a short like this right here, you'll usually get 2 or 3 good runs, and then it will reverse. In this case, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this one. It's not the normal, but it's just selling off, and which is what I kind of thought it would do anyway because of the way we run up. If you are interested in leasing this or just leasing the indicator, you can do that by going up here to SpyMoneyLLC.com, click on the Angular tab, and this will talk about how the Angular indicator works. You can lease the indicator only here, or if you want the bot, you do this one and you get both. If you're a current SpyBot leaseholder, then the only thing you have to do is lease the indicator and you will get the bot with it. So that's your choices. It works really good. We also have a live Discord room to where I talk about what I'm doing and how I'm running different things, and we also do some live training on it. So it actually works out pretty good for most people. Look at there. That would have been a good one, and here's another good one. So, but I'm okay with that. I got my money. I'm done. You can't be greedy. The way this went is, the first 15 minutes of the day is just sold off, and a lot of money was made right here. 1732.36. That's after commission, guys. I'm done for the day, and we'll call it a day. I'll go and do whatever I want to do now. So a lot of people have already lost money because they don't know how to get in with the Angular, and they're using other strategies that just don't quite work. With Angular, it's pretty cut and dry of what you should be doing, and I go over that. I teach you how to do it and how to make money with it. So let me know if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to help you. If you go to the website, go to the contact. You can click on contact, fill out your information, your questions, and I will be the one to answer it. Have a great day, guys, and happy trading.